Welcome back to Glitter Trails. Today I am doing my Boxycharm unboxing. I have already seen the products that are in here because it's currently what I'm wearing. I wanted to try it out and then tell you guys what I think. When you first open the box, there is the Boxycharm card. And this month's theme is Alter Ego, which is really cool. And then the rest of it says the prices of the items that are in the box. If you don't know what Boxycharm is, it is a $21 a month subscription, and you get 4 or 5, I have gotten 6 items. They are all full size and well over $21 worth. One item basically it amounts to that, so it takes care of itself. The first thing that I see in this box is the It Cosmetics Superhero Lash Mascara. I did not open this one to use it on my eyes because I got the birthday one from Sephora, or not Sephora, oops, Ulta, and so I just used this one today. I don't want to open too many mascaras and them dry out before I can actually use them. There is the applicator. I think it was really nice, and it definitely lengthened my lashes a lot. Like, I don't know if you could see it, but yeah, don't mind that face I just made. This superhero mascara from It Cosmetics is worth $24. That already pays for the box, like I just said. The next item I did not actually get to use because I didn't have time to do this. I like to relax when I do masks or anything, and I have all 3 of my kids here right now. No school. I have the Dermovia Lace Appeal with Compression Technology Black Bamboo Charcoal Peel-Off Mask. I've seen people do this, and I'm super excited to try it. I think I'm going to do it tonight after I get home from work. And also, the price for that was $30, and you get 2 of them. That's pretty expensive mask. It better be doing something really good, but charcoal is a very good thing to use on your skin. And the next thing I was so excited to get because I like to just come home after work and take off my makeup and all of that, and if I hadn't have gotten this, the Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm by Pharmacy, then I would have gotten like a Briogeo hair mask. And I don't use hair products, maybe a little bit of dry shampoo here and there, but no type of conditioning, anything, because my hair gets oily too quick. So I was so excited to get that. And that is worth $22. I am so excited. I didn't open this either. But I will, and I'll let you know how it smells. It has a very faint scent. It comes like that, kind of like a mint green. It smells fresh. I like that. I was so excited to get those 2 together. Here lately, within the last few years, I've gotten more into skincare. So any type of skincare that I can get is amazing. The next thing that I see is by Kat Von D, and this is the Everlasting Liquid Lipstick, and I got the color Mother, and that is what I'm wearing right now. It's a really pretty, like, berry color. I did want to say my sister, she gets Boxycharm also, and she gave me hers because she didn't like the color. If any of you get Boxycharm, let me know if you got this color and what you feel about it. I do have a cool skin tone, very light, and she got the color Bow and Arrow, and I just want to know if there's any light skin tone people out there that use this, because I kind of like it, but I don't want to look weird wearing it. The last item, which I'm wearing on my eyes, I did like a green, the blue, is the Midnight Masquerade palette. And it is a face and eyeshadow palette. And it has a little bitty mirror right there. And I think these are cool. I use this for my blush. I used this for my highlight, and I did bronze up my face a bit with this, but I did do a contour with another palette. But everything on my eyes is from this palette. I was just trying to try out the formula and everything. I really like it. Oh my god, this like mask off color right here and then this Showtime are so beautiful, and my camera doesn't do it justice, but it really does look good. Had my eyebrows been plucked and stuff, it probably would have looked even better. This box, I'm just amazed every single month. Like, I would never have been able to buy all of these products. I mean, come on. Maybe I can go into the store and buy one expensive product, but I'm not made out of money. You know what I mean? And to get all of this. Oh, the Midnight Masquerade palette is $38. That is amazing. And I do really like it. And I'm one that does use blush and like face products a lot. If you want to get 10% off your next purchase, use the code just for Boxy for It Cosmetics. Anywho, if you would like to subscribe to, did I say Ipsy? If I said Ipsy, I meant Boxycharm. But if you would like to subscribe to Boxycharm, I will put my link in the description bar. I'm not like affiliate link, but just to be able to get you to the page. If you would rather not go through that, just go to boxycharm.com, and if you don't already know, they also have like the Boxy Luxe or Luxe Box, whatever they started to call it, and that comes quarterly. The next one is in December. So if you sign up to Boxycharm now, you can subscribe to that one probably if you're not on the wait list. That's what I'm going to do. I'm getting the Boxy Luxe in December. Alright guys, that was my video. Thanks for watching. I am so excited for Boxycharm. Like, this is amazing. That's how I'm building my makeup collection. Alright, enough rambling. Peace out.